Oh.
with the big bird. Wow.
Whoa.
Wow. Mrs. Regine Velasquez Alcacid.
Hello, Robin.
Hi, Tita.
How are you?
I'm good. I haven't seen you in a long time. It's probably
A
years
long
already.
time. Yes. I
The
haven't
last
seen
time
you
I
in a
saw
while.
you, you were pregnant. Like that's how long I haven't seen you.
The last time I saw you, you didn't have tattoos.
That's very true. Also, that is very true.
Yeah.
Now, my mom will be very upset. She doesn't. She doesn't like that I have them. She likes them like
Yeah.
as art,
But
like,
not-
I told her off air that I think it was her that inspired me to get tattoos. It is Regine Velasquez's
Oh my God.
inspirational words, which was, look at that guy with the tattoos. You might be like that.
One day.
One
And
day you might get tattoos like that guy.
And you did.
And I did. Thanks to Regine Velasquez.
Ako, don't say that. Baka mamisakal
No,
ka
just
pala.
kidding. But see, it stuck with me. I remember those words.
Yeah.
So I was like, oh, it's nice. Yeah, it's cool.
Oo nga, oo nga.
I'm going to think about it forever. How are you?
I'm good. I'm doing very well. I'm a little busy
That's
than
good.
usual. Kasi normally I'm just home.
Well, now we're going to be busy together.
I know,
We're going to
right?
be following you all throughout this month.
Yay!
Yes.
I know.
So bonding
it's-
moments again.
It's wonderful kasi I love doing this project with PLDT. So, thank you very much for following me. Not yet, but you will be following me.
We will be. I think we'll be there on the 7th.
On the 7th,
Yep.
Binyang, Laguna. And then there are other shows. We have 4 shows for now. So, yeah, I'm very excited.
And as are we. By the way, we're live for the very first time. You can see Mrs. Regine Velasquez.
Really? In
Yes.
YouTube live?
You gotta go to our Facebook page. So it's facebook.com/wishfm1075.
Oh.
Check it out. You're gonna see Tita Regine. You'll see my foot.
And it's live.
And
How
it's
wonderful. Yeah.
Absolutely. She's also gonna sing one song for all of you guys. So that's
Yes.
a treat. But that's not the last song she's gonna sing. She's
No.
gonna sing. Well, she will be back on the show again within the weeks.
Yes.
So
Yes.
stay tuned for that.
Yes.
You are a special guest for the longest time.
I'm the person of the month.
You're the artist of the month here
The
on
person
Wish.
of the month.
Our very first artist of the month.
Wow.
It's you here on the Wish.
It's me. Wow, thank you very much, Wish.
And we're very happy to have you.
It's my wish.
Yes. I just hope that the other people before you, like your husband, who's been here a number of times, won't say anything. He's been nominated. He's been here so many times, but you are the artist of the month on
Yay.
your first go. Fantastic.
Fantastic.
So,
Now, wait, I just want to congratulate you guys for doing this show. I mean, this program is so popular. Everyone is actually tweeting about it. Actually, they've been requesting for me to do this. They've been wishing for me to do this. So finally, I'm here.
He is
so.
here.
Hello.
so thank you for finally picking the day to come with us.
Okay.
You're so busy, and now you're here.
Now I'm here.
And look, there's so many people outside of the bus.
Yeah, they're my relatives.
They're your relatives. This one wants to cry, and right in front, she's dying to cry. Guys, favor naman na when she sings, when that time comes, please don't hit the bus
Yeah.
or shake the bus. We'll hear it.
Kasi yung, gaganon ako.
The people around the world might think there's a riot outside the Regine Velasquez number. Now, we're also here to talk about fiber,
Yes.
not as a dietary meal,
No.
but as for your house.
For your house, meron kasing good news ang PLDT. Fiber is now powering Laguna.
Oh!
Wow, the whole of Laguna.
Man.
And next week, like we said kanina, on May 7, I will be at Binyang Laguna People's Park to bring you the Fiber Experience live.
There you go.
And Wish is going to be with us.
I will be with you too. It's
Yes.
going to be a thing.
Yes, it's going to be a thing. And what I like about PLDT helping me out as a mom, whenever I go out of the house, I'm always worried about my son and his security kasi syempre taong bahay siya eh. 'Di ba? So it's nice to have gadgets
Yeah.
to let you know that he's okay, that he's safe, and you can check him out whenever you want to. Kasi ang daming available for all of us, di ba? For mommies like me, for working moms like me. Di ba?
Absolutely.
Yes, like the PLDT Smart Home Security Devices. Naku, ang dami niyan. Feel ko yan. Tsaka pati for, bonding with your family. Like kami, may family kami ng Australia, so ang dali-daling tumawag with them. Kung ano-ano, mag-FaceTime or whatever. And then, at syempre, mag-upgrade na rin kayo to connect the PLDT Home Fiber. Naku, mas madali yun kasi mas mabilis na.
Yeah. And
Even yung internet.
And it's all because of fiber.
It's all because of fiber. And home monitoring system, FamCam. Ito, favorite ko to. Cyber Safety Solution FAM Zone. Kasi ito yung meron kang camera sa bahay. And to check, so I can check Nate on my phone. Right now, I can check him, what he's doing, if he's being naughty.
And then if he's being naughty, you call the house. Same with fiber.
Actually, I can even talk to him like right there.
Oh, with the camera?
Yeah, because there's a sound.
That's really cool.
It's really cool and it's really high-tech.
Sana we can get that for the bus so we can talk to people outside. Huy! Bawal umihi dito. That has never happened. But
that's a good idea. At syempre yung Nate's multifunctional, kid-friendly smartwatch. Oh, may smartwatch pa.
Wow!
Yes.
What is in the smartwatch?
I can make him wear it. He can call me.
With the watch?
From his watch.
Like a Ninja Turtle?
Like a Ninja Turtle. And I can also meron siyang parang program where I can monitor where he is.
Wow. If he's bad, my zapper siya. No, Nate, no.
Baka palagyan natin.
What's that?
Biglang nakukuryente na lang yung mga
Does Nate play video games already?
He does.
He does?
Sa mga tablet, once in a while. Pero medyo kinokontrol ko kasi I don't want him to always be there.
Yeah, I'm only asking because I'm so excited to get fiber. Because I play video games.
Ay, nako,
That's
ang
why.
dami.
But not on my phone. I really play with I don't live with my mom and Ram anymore. But Ram and I, because we don't see each other every day anymore, we play video games every night.
Oh, you like fiber.
And we talk, not on the phone. You can talk and play. So, but every now and then we're talking, all of a sudden, hello?
Wala na. It's
so
gone.
with fiber, I'll be the one that I'm faster than you.
I'm so yabang.
Video games.
Yes, video games.
Video.
At saka maraming nakabundle Marami pang may mga movies pa yata sila So, I think you'll enjoy it talaga.
Fantastic.
But more than that, it's the, connecting with your friends and your loved ones. It makes us closer to our family kasi.
So fiber
easier.
is probably the best idea out
ever.
there today. Like whatever phone you have, whatever device you have, it won't work without fiber. Like that is the power. That is everything to it.
Yes, that is the new thing now. And I think what PLDT is doing is they want to power the whole Philippines with fiber na. Para it'll be so easy for everyone to connect with their loved ones, di ba?
Yes,
Ganda.
I agree.
Yes.
It's saved. I have a production company that's dying to shoot a video for you.
Oh, I'd be happy to work with you guys.
Fantastic.
Yes.
That was on air. Just kidding. But we were trying to shoot. We were trying to edit something for the States, and fiber saved it.
See,
Like it took 10 minutes to download.
Yeah.
Like huge gigabytes of memory. To download it and to send it, it took 10 minutes both times.
Sa amin, like for me, sa mga artists na gaya natin, it's really so parang napaka-important to have that kind of tool, no? In our business. Like ako, simpleng, kasi yung mga study tape ngayon, hindi na study tape.
Yeah. It's
email na lang. Oo, email na lang. So if it's like a big file, it's hard to just get it, no? So pag naka-fiber ka, it's so easy to get everything. And I also play game.
Which, no.
Sims.
That's it. I play SimCity. I play SimCity.
And that's what I do. I also download stuff.
The clothes.
ng
and
mga
the furniture.
stuff. Oo, the furniture. So, pagka mahina yung wala. Ang hirap mag-download.
But now with fiber,
it's so easy and it's so madali.
Fantastic.
Even with movies, kasi that's what I like. I'm into movies talaga. I love watching films.
Same here. I'm so excited for it.
Yes.
So excited, you have no idea. Now, I'm excited, PLDT. I'm so excited for it. Now, what is the hashtag for PLDT, just so we all get this underway? It was on one of the things.
Yes. Hashtag is Fiber Experience. Hashtag PLDT Home Fiber. And hashtag World Class Internet. Yan Yan ang mga hashtag pagka magtutweet kayo.
And to everyone out there who wants to catch Mrs. Regine Velasquez Alcazid sing, May 7, she's at Laguna People's Park. May 14, she's at General Santos City. May 28 at Cagatan de Oro, right? And then June 18, you are going to be at Antipolo City.
Yes.
And we're going to be there for most of them. I don't think we're going to be at General Santos, but for the other ones, we will be there with you.
You will be there, yes.
So it's
I'm
going
excited.
to be fantastic. We are all excited.
Yes.
Yes.
Tsaka maganda yung lineup ko ngayon. Madaming mga bagong songs.
Yun.
I'll be singing some old songs also. Pero this is a totally different show now kasi I've been doing this for 3 years. Right? I've been doing this for 3 years. So this is a totally different show. Even the lineup of musicians, iba-iba ngayon. So
It's a full band.
it's a full band.
Oh, man.
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm excited.
I'm excited to watch it.
Yes.
Wonderful.
No, kasi I miss singing. I miss doing shows.
I know. I miss singing too.
Diba?
I
Kasi
talk every day. Before you came here, I was singing. I was like, I just want to sing. I just want to.
I
just want to do
love.
it.
So I'm so thankful to PLDT, for giving me this opportunity to do this show and to connect with my fans.
Yeah.
Meron pa akong fans.
You have many fans. They are all screaming outside.
To connect with them and to entertain them. Kasi, I've been doing this for 3 years nga and I love it. I love going to the malls and different places and sing for everyone. So, I'm excited for this show kasi nga iba yung lineup. So, I hope you guys will enjoy it.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Once again, that's May 7 at Laguna People's Park. May 14, General Santos City. May 28, Cagatan de Oro. And June 18, Antipolo City.
Yes.
Wonderful. And
Wonderful.
before anything else, I'm going to forget. I already forgot. Special thanks to Outback Steakhouse. No rules, just right. Located at Eastwood City Walk 1, Quezon City. You may call 227-3216 or email at eastwood.ucell@outback-c.com. And it is right there. I'm pointing at it.
Are we
right now.
gonna eat there later?
I don't know. Hey, Outback people.
Are you gonna send us food or something?
Yes, for real. Are we gonna eat there? And we want prime rib.
Yeah. Yeah.
Not that kangaroo meat. We want that cow. That big cow. Yes. And the cheese fries. I love that.
Yeah.
Cheese fries.
Yes.
That's my thing.
Yeah.
Now the moment everyone's been waiting for.
I'm gonna sing.
You're going to sing.
I love this song. Lagi ko to kinakanta pero I haven't sang this in a while, but once in a while I would in one of the PLDT shows. Pero tonight I'd like to sing it for everyone.
If you come back on the bus again, can we sing the song that we did
Yes.
together? We actually have a song together.
Yes.
One of the very first songs that was ever recorded that I wrote was yours.
Smile.
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 Yes.
I love that song.
Fantastic. And your
Yeah.
version is still my favorite.
Really?
Just because I put it in my album also because I needed one more song. So it's there. But your version is still I don't know who arranged it that way, but it's beautiful.
I can't remember who arranged it. I think it was Mon or
Really?
I can't remember, but
I'll
yeah.
put it on my resume. Just kidding.
Yeah.
I didn't think
I like
could
that song. It's a happy, very song.
Thanks. Now,
Yes.
Nana, we can do that
Yes,
here.
we can.
Just so all of you can be like, oh, that song.
And then you can play the guitar.
I got it. I got that
it.
part.
Yeah.
All right, but now the moment you were waiting for, Mrs. Regine Velasquez Alcázar, everyone, here on the Wish Bus,
Yay!
singing.
Di biro ang sumulat ng awitin para sa'yo. Para akong isang siraulong hilo at lito. Sa akin pang minanang tiklado'y pilit nilaro. Baka sakaling merong tono, bigla na lang umuspong. Tungkol saan naman kayang awitin para sa'yo? Hindi biro ang gawing sukat ang titik sa tono. 10 man aking diksyonaryo kung ang tugma'y di wasto. Basta't hindi magbabago damdamin ko sa'yo. Araw-gabi nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan magpunta. Araw-gabi nalalasing sa tuwa, kapag kapiling ka, araw-gabi tayong dalawa. Biruin mong nasabi ko ang nais kong ipahatid. Dapat mo lamang mabatid laman itong dibdib. Tila 10 daang awitin ang natapos kong likhain. Ito ang tunay na damdamin, tanggapin at tingin. Araw-gabi nasa isip ka, napapanaginip ka, kahit saan magpunta. Araw-gabi nalalasing sa tuwa, kapag kapiling ka, araw-gabi tayong dalawa.
Mrs. Regine
Thank you.
Velasquez. I got the names mixed in my head.
Thank you very much.
Thank you so much for singing. Thank you so much for coming.
Thank you so much for having me. And I will be back.
Yes, she will, because she is the first ever Wish Artist
of the Month.
Fantastic.
Fantastic.
Would you like to say hello to anyone while you're still on air?
I'd like to say hi to everyone who's here. Thank you very much for coming out. Thank you for being here. I'll see you guys at the
May
PLDT Fiber Experience Live.
Yon!
Nanginginig-ginig pa live.
We should call the show Fibex. Wala, just to make it, what? Where is that? It's the word is so cool that it can be its own app. My Fibex ka.
Fibex. And thank you so much to Wish. Thank you for having me, 107.5. I hope to be back like here on the bus.
You will absolutely. You can come back anytime on the bus.
I want to sing with you. I want to sing our
Yes.
song together.
Now I'm scared.
Yeah.
Now I'm nervous.
And again, congratulations for
Thank you.
having such a wonderful show and for letting us OPM singers, promote ourselves here. It's
Yes.
wonderful. Bihira yung ganito. So thank you very much, Wish.
Thank you, Tita Regine.
Thank you.
Thank you.
And congratulations to you, huh?
On the show?
on everything. Nax.
Now I'm really scared. All right, thank you so much.
Thank you.
Guys,
Thank you.
we'll be right back. She will be back again in the next few weeks, so
Yeah.
don't you worry. All right, guys, we're going to take a quick break. We'll be right back. I'm DJ Robin here on The Road Show on Wish 107.5.
Click here to... Nasaan? Nasaan? Nasaan siya? Dito ba? Ito? Click here. Subscribe. Click here. Ito oh. Yan oh. Ito oh.